Okay, the finished product. Look how cool that is, isn't it? Down here I'm gonna put I could put a basket, or I can do whatever I want with it. I haven't figured it out yet. This is the miter saw jig, and like I said, you can put a 12 piece through here, which means 6 foot on the left side, 6 foot on the right side, and you can balance, you know, wood so it's level to the table. I just need to screw those last couple of pieces in. Now, how am I gonna put this? I'll do this like this. Put a washer so that it doesn't go all the way through. You can see that. Is it clear? Is it fuzzy? And another one on the other side. And that's it. Oh, that's the other thing I want to show you was the kids' playhouse. Also done in that torched wood, so Sugi bond. See how it holds up through winter, through everything. This is pieces of wood from the old clubhouse, and my kids wanted to keep it because it had their names on it, so I kept it. The rails are composite material, fantastic stuff, which will never go bad. Oh, and these are some benches I did. This is a small one, I did 2 bigger ones, all using the same style. It'll last for years and years and years. It looks good. The lights up there. Anyways, this isn't about that. This is about the miter saw stand. Hopefully I helped somebody. It's simple and straightforward. I don't think I need to tell you how to build it. Obviously you measure the width of your table saw. I did it just slightly bigger, but if you wanted to, you could have done it slimmer, exactly the same size. And the width, though, I would go with the actual width, which makes sense. And I just shove it in the shed, roll it in and out, and we're good. See? Beautiful. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.